Good morning everyone, welcome. It's another Monday. Let me quickly update you because we have very short of time. International shipping is open, so if you want to buy anything, you can buy from my shop. Shipping service which I use, they do not have automatic integration. That means they need the address to tell me the correct shipping money. If you want to buy some of the products, email. I have added the email on the shop page. You can email me that you want a product. I'll get back to you because I will be needing your address. So I will get your correct your address. I'll send it to the courier service. They will give me a code for you, and with the code and with the product with the money, I can give you a code and you can pay the money and I will send you. So that's the only procedure you will need. So if you remember the other day I said the notebook is gonna be 40 page like that, but I changed my mind. I'm gonna keep it 100 only because that's the speciality of the notebook of my shop. It is 100 page. So most probably I'll be making only 1 or 2 per design. So I'll be talking to you all later. Good morning everyone. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday I didn't record because yesterday was like so many stuffs going on. So yesterday I slept very late and I woke up at 9 o'clock. Yep, I woke up at 9 o'clock. So when I woke up, my husband was not here, went to job. My son is here, he's not well. He's not well in the sense, he's having running nose. And then in the morning I was making the products. So I don't know what I'm going to record. So whichever I'm feeling I'm recording because I'm not feeling anything else. I'm like frozen to death. I just want to sleep. I want to sleep. But I'm waiting to sleep after the shop is launched, hopefully. But no, I'm not gonna sleep after the shop is launched. Doing the usual one, putting that to there. Let's start over that. Let's start with that. Putting all of that stuff to there. So I'm gonna stop here and do my work because I cannot record on 2 cameras and concentrate on work. Yes. That is like multiple tasking. So I'm gonna.
Linta can, because Linta was already recording on 2 cameras.
Okay. So off you guys, and I will get back to you. With like anything I do, anything I do for home, or I don't know what. When I feel it to come back, I'm gonna come back because I'm draining my energy a lot. There's no more energy left out. Oh my goodness. Okay. Anyway, so let's start. I'll see you afterwards. Okay. Hello everyone. This is night. So all the books, papers are cut. Pieces.
Sorry about the sound. That's my
iPad.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm watching.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna start with my client work. So okay, and also I'm gonna draw. So this is gonna be very late night again. This night is also gonna be night because I have a lot to finish. So yeah. Good morning everyone. You can see I'm not ready, so we woke up late because we slept late. I slept at 2 o'clock. Yeah.
I was sleeping good.
Yeah. So today I decided to sit more here go there less, but I will be needing to clean my give space to my mobile because there's not enough space to record video. But I'm drawing my son's. I cannot show yet. My son's. My son's
What?
book.
What you? Like, can I talk? You already showed.
No, that's just a quick shot. I will update that. What is happening? No, shush, don't say.
I'm not going to say about it.
Eh,
It is for my birthday.
No, don't say. Good morning, my lovely, beautiful homemakers. Today is next week. I don't know where I was or what I was doing or where the video is. I have no idea. Because of the power failure, the editing was been slow. I didn't finish, and some things were and the shop update the work. You know how it is gonna happen. So that's why there was no video Friday. So today, this week, I'm hoping to put up the video anyway. I'm recording. So let's see how it's gonna go. And so regarding shop update, we are almost there. We need to make a few more notebooks. And the planners back need to stick. Back need to stick. Cardstock need to get sticked, glued, and yeah, and then some notebook work, and then what else is that? Yeah, then taking pictures, editing, uploading it in the website, doing all the description, determining the price, and then preparing the post for social media, and then making the edit on the website. So yeah, nothing much, Oh my god, by the time this is done, I'm done. I hope I get sale after all this works, hard works, all this late night works. Now I sleep only like last week I slept only like 2 hours in a night. And yesterday I slept a little bit. So yesterday 8:30 I slept. 3 o'clock I woke up. So 9:30, 10:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30. Yeah, 6.5 hours. That's not bad. So yeah. Well, that's not gonna happen because next month my son's birthday is there. So I'm preparing something for that as well. So he asked me to do something for his friends. So as an illustrator. So he given me a project. So I'm doing that as well. It's gonna take a lot of time. It's so many works are going on. Lucky that my client work is right now. It's paused. Hopefully, I hope next week only it's gonna come. I'm praying that next week only it come because this week is a lot of work. Then with that as well, I'll be like dead meat. Anyway, so I'm getting ready and then I'm gonna have some breakfast. So I don't know what I'm gonna. Yeah, I steamed banana. I steamed banana or plantain, if you want to understand plantain. So okay, I'm getting a lot of messages. I had to reply to everyone. I didn't reply to anyone. So yeah, morning made chicken, rice, and made some vegetable soup with chicken. That was the breakfast, but it still is there because evening you might eat. Yeah, rice and I don't know how to explain this. So that's banana, steamed banana with an egg. Very healthy. That is more than enough for running the whole entire day actually. And it's one of my favorite food as well, favorite breakfast as well. Steamed plantain and egg. I have to clear the space on this mobile because there's not enough space. It's only 42 minutes left. Anyway, so I'm gonna eat, guys, and I'll talk to you, and we will see the works or whatever, I don't know. After eating breakfast. So yep, I'm gonna eat and I'll see you later. Hello everyone. Still it doesn't know how much space I take up the space. I don't know what's going on. I am determining the cost of the new products. It's a lot of work. I have to plan it. I have to calculate everything first, like each and everything, and I have to divide right so it doesn't go like crazily costly shirt tote bag people has contacted back or replied back. They gave the code, so I'm decided to go with only three each. There's 3 shirt and 3 tote bags, and I was thinking to have one for myself, but I think I'm not going to do that, but maybe I can do that. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. So because I don't have any, all the drills. I don't have money, so blah 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 blah. Anyway, so right now I'm feeling a little hungry, and I'm feeling a little. My head is a little burnt, hot heat because heated up because I was calculating money, everything. So and not only that, I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat something, guys, and okay, I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna eat. Also, after eating, I'm gonna do this. Hello, good morning everyone. I don't even have time to get ready. I'm sorry about that. So yesterday we finished all the planners. So all the planners notepads are done, if I'm not wrong. So remaining is notebook. So the notebook, I have to cut the spine and glue everything. And yeah, one notebook is still there to cut, which is the old, not very old, but I never put this up in my website, so I want to put that also up in my website. The older design which is older than that, I'm not putting it up in my website because I have eczema attack over here. Good morning, video homemakers. I have no idea what we talked actually at the end. I have no idea where we were. No, I don't even remember at all. So anyways, the update is the notebook preparation is still going on. Not finished. I don't know when I'm going to finish because there's so much things to done. So actually in my plan, I forgot to put the in the to-do list. I forgot to add adding the products in the website. I actually forgot about that. Yesterday I realized, and from yesterday I started, and it's taken a lot of time. And now, especially now, I have to decide how much is the sale going for, all those stuff. Oh my goodness, because I don't want to, even though it's sale, it is going to be a big offer for you guys, but it cannot be, devastated for me. So I have to plan how much is the birthday sale, how much is the clearance sale I'm giving for it. I have to plan that, and many other works are still there. What I plan is I'm not gonna record anything more. Okay, this is future editing, Lynn talking here, because I have to add this in the video because just now it's Friday, tomorrow is the shop update, but I received a special parcel. That is the coat, the t-shirt, and the tote bag. Oh my god, I'm so happy. So you can go to my art video to see the unboxing and my reaction, my crazy mad reaction to this unboxing. But so happy. It's like super duper happy. I mean, it's only 3 each, 3 t-shirt and 3 tote, that's all, but for me it's like big achievement. I mean, I always love designs on dress, like garments, any garments, not just t-shirt, anything, any garments. I love design. I love to see flowers, plants on t-shirt. Many of my dresses, when I buy, I'm more attracted towards such dresses. So I'm so happy. I didn't know that this is done by artist until I became an artist. So I'm so happy that this happened. So if you want to buy, head over to my shop tomorrow and grab your I was saying grab your copy, grab your product. So only 3 each. I don't know if I have to keep pre-order back order open. Just let me know if I have to keep the back order open or not. So if you want me to keep the back order open, so I can keep it, because once this is out, it's out. I won't be restocking. I'll be going for new design. But if you like, I love this, I want that, that area, then let me know. Maybe let me know. Just let me know. I don't have to open pre-order. You can just let me know. And I'm gonna stop here for you guys. So with the announcement. So tomorrow is a big day. Tomorrow is the shop update day, and South African time 12 p.m. If I convert it to Indian time, it will be like 3:30 p.m. afternoon, and that is the time for shop update tomorrow. So I hope you will support. Okay, I hope you are gonna buy some products, support this new shop update, or even if you can't buy, maybe share in your social media platforms. All those are very helpful, gonna help me a lot. So see you all in my website, in my shop tomorrow at 12 p.m. of South African time. Yeah, that's it. If you feel very down from me, I'm having an eczema attack, you see, only on this eyelid, only on that. You can see that's the normal eyelid, and look at that. And I don't know, with the shop update and everything, I'm so drained, and also this is giving me so much of headache, head weight, and I feel breathlessness. So so today I'm gonna finish all my rest of the work and finish all the shop update preparations. Okay, so that's it. And yeah, don't forget about the shop update. Don't forget about me, about the shop update, and I will see all of you in the next week. And if when you share in the social media about the this shop update, please tag me so I can see that, and I can reshare the tag. So please tag me, and yeah, I hope you are going to enjoy the product. See you later. Bye.